guys, I'm Olivia Vaughn, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a scrunchie with some things you might already have in your own home. It's pretty easy, fast, and no sewing is involved. The things you'll need to make a scrunchie: scissors, elastic, heat and bond iron-on adhesive, safety pins, bobby pins, straightener, and fabric. You can buy some from a craft store or use an old t-shirt or silk slip. All of these items will be linked below. Now let's get started. Cut a 3x18 inch of fabric. Hem one side by placing the iron-on adhesive on the edge and fold over the fabric. Bobby pin the corners and iron. Fold the fabric in half, pretty side on the inside, and place the adhesive in between the fabrics. Bobby pin and iron. Turn the unscrunchie inside out with a safety pin. Take 8 inches of elastic and loop it through the unscrunchie, then tie it. Cut a piece of adhesive and wrap it around the raw edge and tuck it under the hemmed side and iron. If the adhesive doesn't stick, tuck some more in and iron it. Ta-da! You've made a cute scrunchie! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Also, tag me on Instagram if you guys made some scrunchies.